Good morning. Today I'd like to show you how to make a granny square. For this project you will need any size crochet hook that will fit your yarn. Today I'm using a size H or 8 worsted weight yarn, a yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is make a slip knot, and to make a slip knot you will take your yarn holding the end. You're going to make a loop. You're going to twist the yarn so that you know where the bottom and the top are coming from. You're going to take the bottom part of your yarn and put it through the loop, holding the ends. And then you're going to just pull that until you have a slip knot. Okay? Next, you'll take your hook, you will place it inside the loop, and then you will pull the ends of the yarn away from one another to tighten the slip knot onto your hook. The first thing we need to do is make a ring. We're going to make our ring with 5 chain stitches. To do that, we will yarn over, pull through our loop. That's 1 chain, 2, 3, and 4. So you now have 4 chains. We're going to make a ring by connecting the chains by putting a slip stitch into this very first chain that we made. So insert your hook into that very first chain, yarn over, and pull it through everything. Okay? So now we have a ring that we have made. So I did switch colors to a purple for this round. I'm going to insert my hook here, and this is my ring where you can see the center, which is right there. I'm going to chain 3, then I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into the middle of the ring, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I'll do that again, yarn over, insert the hook into the middle, yarn over, pull the loop out, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. I've just completed a chain 3, which was my first double crochet, and then 2 double crochets in the ring. Since we're doing a granny square, we want our finished product to be square, so we need to do corners. Our corners will be chain 3s. So here we will chain 3, and then we will continue in our ring with 3 double crochet, a chain 3, and 3 double crochet. Chain 3 again, 3 double crochet in the ring, chain 3. We've now completed 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3 double crochet. We just did our chain 3 after we completed this one. We're now going to connect it. We're going to count from the bottom. So this is our first, second, and third chain stitch. So we're going to insert our hook into that top third chain of the first chain 3, yarn over, pull through everything, and that connects and makes our middle of our granny square. We're going to move on to round 2. In order to get to the corner, which is where we want to begin, we're going to make a slip stitch. To do that, we've already slipped into the first chain 3. We need to slip over to this corner right here. So what we're going to do is insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through everything, into the next stitch, do it again to slip, and then we're also going to slip in our corner. Now we are in the corner. We're going to chain 3, which counts as our first double crochet, and we're going to put 2 more double crochet here, chain 3, and 3 double crochet to make our corner. That makes our corner. Now we need to create a space because we're making a square and we want the square to enlarge. To make our space on this square, we're going to just simply do a chain 1. And then we're going to go into our next corner. Yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2. 2 more double crochets, third double crochet. This is our corner stitch, so we're going to chain 3 and put 3 more double crochets in that same corner chain 3 space from the previous round. Okay, so now if you can see here what we have, I'll have to try to position it a little bit so you can see it better, is we have one side that's completely done. Okay, so we're going to keep going, and it may be a little bit more apparent as we continue. Chain 1 for our side and go into our next corner space with 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the same chain 3 space of the previous round. That's our second side completed. We're going to chain 1, and then we're going to go into the next corner space with 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. Okay, we're now done with this round with the exception of a chain 1 to complete and make our space, and then we're going to connect to our beginning chain 3 by counting 1, 2, 3. This is our first, second, and third, and we're going to insert our hook right into the top here and pull through to make a slip stitch, and that completes. So you can see here where for this round, I'll turn it this side so you can see it a little bit better. So for each one in our corners we put 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, same thing here, and then to make our new side sections, we put a chain 1. We're going to continue this pattern for the round. I'm going to show you 2 different versions on how to do this, because you're going to be repeating this for the remainder of your granny square, and you can make them as big as you like. So once again, to do the next round, we're going to slip over to the corner, slip into the second double crochet that we did from the previous round, and the third one, as well as our corner chain 3. Our beginning double crochet is always a chain 3, and then we put 2 double crochets in that corner chain 3 space, separated by a chain 3 to make our corner, and 3 more double crochets. Okay, now we're at a side. We're going to chain 1, and in all of your sides you're simply going to put 3 double crochet with a chain 1 on either side of that. We are back at our corner here, so we will put 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in the same chain 3 corner space, this is a side, so we're going to put a chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1. We're at a corner space, so we will put 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, chain 1. We're back at a side. You will continue this all around. Any side, you're going to put just 3 double crochet with a chain 1 on either side. Any corner, you will place 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. I'll come back when I have completed the round. Okay, so I've completed the round, and I've made a chain 1 after my 3 double crochet for the side here. I'm going to connect it to my beginning chain 3, my beginning double crochet, which was a chain 3, simply by putting a slip stitch there. And as you can see, I have a nice granny square, which is nice and symmetric. So the general pattern is, if you are working in a corner, you will put 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. If you are working on a side, you have a chain 1 space, and you will put chain 1, 3 double crochet in that chain 1 space, and a chain 1, and then move to your next space. So the question only should be, am I working in a side or am I working in a corner chain space? If it's a chain 1, it's a side space. If it's a chain 3, it's a corner space. And that way you know which stitches to use. Now alternatively, you can change colors for your granny square. I'd like to show you how to do that next.